In 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 1, we are talking about the glory and the manifestation of God in thanksgiving. And thank God for the teaching of Pastor. There are things that will not make us to prepare our heart to thank God. Now, I want us to understand something. Thanksgiving is not fundraising. And we should not take it as, it is time to rest up. No. Thanksgiving is not fundraising. But it's a time that people will come with a free mind. And thank God from their heart. And when you do it that way, you will see the glory of God in manifestation. Now, let's read just one verse of 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 1. Now when Solomon had made an end of praying, the fire came down from heaven and consumed the burnt offering and the sacrifice, and the glory of the Lord filled the house. And the priest could not enter into the house of the Lord, because the glory of the Lord had filled the house. When all the children of Israel saw how the fire came down, and the glory of the Lord upon the house, they bowed themselves with their faces to the ground upon the bed, and worshiped and praised the Lord, saying, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever. We are talking about the glory of the Lord, the manifestation of the glory of God, which is the theme of the hour. Now, what happened in this place? If you read down, you will see that even after this time, Solomon has not made all the sacrifices that they want to make. But because he prepared himself and he comes with an open mind, an open heart, that he's going to serve, he's going to thank God. Not because somebody asked him to thank God. There are different of thanksgiving. Somebody will say, this is what happened to you, what can you go and thank God now? But there are some of them you decide from your heart that, see what God has done for me. Let me go and thank God. That is what I said sometimes ago. That some testimony are more than just testimony. Thank people need to go with them. The reason why people will not go to thank God from their heart is because they are not able to thank their blessing. Every one of us today will have the house that we are living. Whether it is we that build the house or not, God gives us money to pay for the rent. And today, even if you're out of visiting, you will say, oh, what do you want to do in my house? Because that place, that room that they are paying for, it is your own. You can tell God that I will leave my house. Because all the people that pay for that house and that will buy you, it is yours. And none of us are living outside. None of us is living under the bridge. And there are some people who are more beautiful and more handsome than you. They don't have a shelter where the free will not come. Now, why do I say this? I just say this so that when you talk about thanksgiving, you should be able to know that as the Lord has been so faithful to me, and that is the reason I'm coming to thank God. Now, if you are coming to thank God like that, then the Lord will show forth His glory while you are thanking Him. Now, do you know one of the morning, I believe in the morning or in the midnight, a song called I woke up, and the one they saw, count your blessing and make them one by one. Now, before that young man wrote that song, he had dreamt in the night and saw all that the Lord had done for him. And the Spirit brought the song before him. And I believe in the next morning when this man woke up, he was singing that song with tears of joy. You know that sometimes when tears, there are some tears, there are some joy, so you may rejoice, and tears is coming out from your eye. Somebody will say, why this big man is crying? You are not crying. That is what they call the tears of joy. And I believe that is very faithful day. The tears that are coming out from the eyes of this young man as a result of him looking around him and see the wonderful thing that the Lord has done for him. And he began to make them one by one, and he said, I cannot disclose it to myself. No, I will compose it and I sing it out. And let people know, and to them we are singing it. Because somebody was faithful to God because of what God has done in his life.